आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बिटल ड्रिंक। ये हैं हमारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं। और मैं चलिए आपको बताती हूँ इसके फ़ायदे क्या हैं। बिटल लीफ इज़ अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट दैट फाइट्स ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस. It lowers our cholesterol and helps in maintaining cholesterol. It is a very good anti-cancer agent. It has essential nutrients that is iodine, potassium, vitamin A, B1 and B12. फिर है chia seeds. Chia seeds are highly nutritious, loaded with antioxidants. It supports weight loss, lowers the risk of heart diseases. It works for a healthy heart and it is beneficial for strong immunity. It is very easy to incorporate in your diet. High in fiber content, it regulates our bowel movement. It maintains a very good cholesterol in our body and it also helps in our glowing skin. Let's start for our drink making process.